Hello, I hope I'm audible to everyone. Home, you can confirm that actually.
Hi, yeah, I think everything's good. I think we can start.
Sure, perfect. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Puneet, and I am the owner of Box Trading Solutions. Thank you all for coming to us, means coming to this webinar on Trade Replicator, which is going to be listed on the trade store on Alice Blue's trade store. So just to brief about what we do, so Fox Trading Solutions has been incorporated in the year 2020, and we have been into this business from past 1.5 years actually. We build automation solutions for our clients, and we also deal with multiple things. So the first and foremost thing is like custom algo building, and there are various products which you can explore on our website. So I'll show you my products page as of now. So these are few of the products which we already have pre-built with us and ready to deploy onto your side. So these are few products which we offer. Uh, so you can, if you wish to, you can opt for any of them. So this is about the Fox Trading Solutions. Now we'll come on to what we are here for. So we are here for a demonstration of Trade Replicator, which is I'll just show it to you on the trade store itself. So this is the trade store, and I'll show you the product. So, sorry. So this is the product we'll be talking about throughout the presentation. You can have a reference to us. What this product is all about. I just tell you in a brief. It is a product which will help you in managing multiple clients' accounts. So on the basis of various parameters, you can place some orders onto your account, which will term your account as a partner account, and we'll term all the child accounts as child accounts itself. So what this utility does is it copies all the trades of yours from the partner account to all the client accounts within a matter of few seconds. So that's how this utility works. The basic function of this is it can be used as a PMS tool, portfolio management tool. If you are a sub broker in Alice Blue, you can manage multiple accounts using this tool. Whatever you trade onto your account, it easily gets replicated onto other accounts as well. And there are various other features into this, which is like you can see the order book. You can define the multiplier for different accounts at if suppose different accounts have different size, capital size. So if you have a capital size of X and you are managing a client who has a capital size of 10X, so you won't be requiring to fire the same amount of order uh, which you are firing on the base account. So there is a multiplier which multiplies the quantity as soon as you fire an order. So if suppose you fire an order of one quantity for Reliance and you want 10 quantities of Reliance into the another account. So you can define a multiplier out of it. There is also an MIS system which is integrated in the Google Sheet itself. So our product has a interface as Google Sheet. So whatever you do means whatever you need to enter means the account details and all of the things you need to do in the Google Sheet, and whatever you will see would be in the Google Sheet. The main USP of you using the Google Sheet would be you can operate it from anywhere in the world and just from mobile itself. So if you have a Alice Blues mobile app onto your mobile, be it Android or be it iOS, you can just place the trades from that Alice Blues app. And what you can do is you can configure all the accounts which should be linked to your main account in the Google Sheet itself. So both have their mobile applications at your disposal. So you can define what accounts you want to trade on. You can define the multiplier. You can define the accounts means enable and disabled status would be there. So you can enable or disable the accounts. You can see the order book of all the accounts at a single place. You can see like last order time, the last order price, the last order status, and all those things in the Google Sheets itself. So what the basic functionality of it being a PMS tool, so it just copies a trade from the main account to the client account, and the orders which are supported are like market order, limit order, or any other order. So the orders type is also getting copied from the main account to the child accounts. So if you fire a market order in the main account, it will fire a market order in the child accounts too. And if we fire limit order onto the main account, it will fire the limit order onto the child accounts too. So that's about the product actually. Uh, this is the product page. What you need to do for trying this out for the first time. So the free trial is available for 2 days, two market days. So you can opt for this free trial. You need to log into this. So I have my login ID already available here. So I can just log in over here, just enter my credentials, and that's it. So I'll now get an mail like I have purchased the trial of the software, and after that you will be getting a Google sheet which Om would be presenting. These are the just so these are the pricing which is there for the trade replicator. If you have almost 1 to 5 clients, the price would be 15,000, 15, sorry, 1,500 for 30 days. If you have 5 to 10 clients, the price would be 2,800 for 30 days. If you have 10 to 20 clients, the price would be 5,000 for 30 days. If you have 20 plus clients, so it would be 8,000 for 30 days. So it's almost like means you can say less than the cost of an API which different brokers charge. So within the range of 500 rupees, you can uh, use multiple accounts and you can manage multiple accounts. I'll be handing over the desk to Om, who would be demonstrating the product, how this works and how the process works. So Om, over to
Right.
you.
Okay. So you would, uh, as Puneet just said, you would go onto the trade store and you would then be able to just from the trade store, once you have subscribed to the product, you would receive a email that looks like this. So I'll just play this video. We would have loved to demonstrate this in real time, but due to the nature of this webinar being after market hours, unfortunately, uh, we won't be able to demonstrate that right now. But we'll just show you this video, and this will explain how this works. Hello and welcome to.
If you are speaking something, we can't hear you actually.
Okay, wait, could you not hear the video?
No, we can't. So we can start from the we can start fresh from the mail itself.
Right, okay. Yeah, all right. Yeah, I think we're having some technical difficulties, so I'll just explain over the video myself, since I think you were not able to hear the video. So basically, how this works is once you subscribe to our system on the trade store, you will receive an email like this. And in this email, we'll send you two links. So this first link that you see, that is essentially just the like the control sheet that you will be using, like the main Google sheet, in which you will be able to configure your parent account, your child accounts, and where you will be able to view all the order details. So on this main sheet here, like you will have to enter your main account credentials. So these would just be your Alice Blue account credentials, and you can safely enter them here since there is like only you will have access to this Google sheet, and there is no scope as such. They will be safe here essentially. And on this second sheet here, you will have to just enter the account IDs for all of the client accounts you want your trades to be copied onto. So again, this would just be the account ID of the Alice Blue account, just the normal Alice Blue account through which your clients would normally log in. And you don't have to enter any of the like credentials for the client account. So those are still safe with your clients if they so wish. Although we do realize that in practicality, a lot of the times you would be having the credentials yourself, and we will provide an alternate option for that as well. So again, you would just need to fill in the all these blue columns, so the account ID, the multiplier for that column, and then whether that account is enabled. So this would be a simple yes or no in this column here. So if I on then this is a different sheet that I had already filled out at this time. So you can see that all of the fields which aren't highlighted in blue, all of these will be automatically filled out by the application. So you don't need to worry about those at all. You just need to fill in the cells that are highlighted in blue here. So yeah, once you filled in all of this, you will have to go ahead and from that email, the second link, you will have to go ahead and download a program from that link. Now this will be a regular desktop, Windows desktop application, and you will have to just extract this onto your computer. You don't need to install anything. The only requirement is that you need to have the Google Chrome browser installed on your computer, which most of you should already have. And all you need to do is once you configured your Google Sheet, you need to in the extracted files, there is this executable named main.exe. All you need to do is double click on that to run that file. And once you do that, this will open up a command prompt window. You don't need to worry about anything in this window. And you will see that it will automatically log in your main account for you, your Alice Blue account for you. And once this process is complete, you can go ahead and just minimize that window and go back to and like after that, any trades that you place on your main account will automatically be copied onto your client accounts. Now there is one caveat due to the security policies of Alice Blue. There is your clients will have to on each day your clients want to approve you for being able to place trades on your account. They will have to go through a process to log in on their machine. And we will just show this later. For now, we'll just go ahead and demonstrate like the actual functioning of the system. So on this page now, on the client sheet page, you can see we have listed two accounts, and one of those accounts is logged in. So the day for this particular on the particular day this was recorded on, only one of these accounts was logged in. So the trades will only be copied onto this account. And you can see that this account has like a particular multiplier which we've set, and you can view the last order status, last order time, and all of these other parameters for that account as well. And if I just forward here, right, so yeah, now for the purpose of the demonstration, this in this first tab here, I have opened the Ant portal for our master account. So this is the account which we filled in the credentials for on the main sheet. And in this next tab over here, this is the account, like the client account, which is logged in, which we just saw earlier in the client sheet. So again, this is going back to the Ant portal for our main account, and you will see I will place a limit buy order here. And now you can see that the order has been placed on our main account. It's pending. The time is 3:23. The price is 9.3. The quantity is 1. And if I go into our client account, you will see at the exact same time, just a difference of minor difference of 1 second, the exact same order has been placed here. The same symbol, the same price. The only thing that's different is the quantity, and again, that's because we had specified a multiplier of 1.75 for our for this particular client account, and so the quantity was increased by that amount. But other than that, the parameters for the orders are the exact same as the order that was being placed on the primary account. And you can see, like, even if you go ahead and afterwards, if you edit the order on the main account, say like here we change the price from 9.3 to 9.5, you will see that like the exact same change also occurs on all of the client accounts. So you essentially you can just think of it like you're through this one and single Ant portal, you will be able to control all of your accounts essentially. And yeah, you can even cancel the order, and like basically any changes you make here, they will automatically be copied onto the all of your clients accounts seamlessly and instantly. And yeah, you as you can see, at the same time our Google Sheet was also being updated. You can see the last order time got updated. This was occurring around 3:20, and you can see that the last order time got updated. Of course, we just canceled the last order. That is why it's showing as canceled and why the average price is 0. But essentially, this is how this functions. And again, we don't have any open trades on this account, which is why the PNL is 0. But if there were open trades on this account, this PNL value would be constantly updated, and you would be able to monitor this for all of your accounts in real time from this sheet. And at the same time, in this order book page, all of the orders that are being placed, they keep getting updated here. And you can see, again, these are these top orders are just the ones we were placing right now. And from here, you will be able to monitor the any transactions that take place, and you will be able to make sure that everything is as it was supposed to be. So now I'll just go ahead and show you the process on the client side, which is slightly different, but to a large part it's similar. And again, this is only applicable if you for security reasons, since you would not have um, the credentials to the client accounts. That is where this would be required. So if I just go ahead and show you this, this is the email the client will receive. It's very similar. They will have to go through a similar process to go download an application, like a client login application. And once it's a similar process. They would have to extract this onto their computer. They would just need to have Google Chrome installed on there. They don't need to install anything as such. And they can go ahead and run this .exe file, client login.exe. And when they run this file, uh, it will ask for their Alice View account ID. And this is just to verify that the partner would have registered this particular client's account in the Google Sheet. So if that in the client sheet that we showed you earlier, if this particular client's account is not there, in that case, this would show an error. But for now, we're working with like an account that is configured. So yeah, essentially, the moment the client puts that in, they would just have a regular browser window open. This is just the regular login page for the Ant portal of Alice Blue, and they would just have to enter their regular Alice Blue credentials and just sign in on this page. And once they've done that, this browser window will automatically close and their account will have been authorized. So once the client does this, you will be able to place orders on their behalf. If a client doesn't do this on a particular day, you will not be able to place orders for them. And again, this is just for security reasons. This is Alice Blue's policy. And if you do want to manage all the client accounts yourself, we will be able to provide an alternative for you. So yeah, that is essentially how this process works. And I think now, like, if you have any questions, we could take those, or if there's anything, Puneet, you would like to add.
Nothing apart from this. We can take up the questions if anybody has some questions. You can raise your hand. We'll unmute you for a while, and that's how we can proceed with the questions. Okay. Do anybody have any questions?
Okay, I think if nobody has questions, then we should be able to wrap up.
Fine then. Thank you all for attending. Hope you like the product, and we would love to give you some trial for the product. Thank you.